Hey everybody, and welcome back to another lecture with Coding with Roby. And in this lecture, we're going to enhance our update to do to now take in a user JWT, validate the user, enhance our to-do model to now find the ID where a user ID also matches the owner ID, and then submit the put request. The first thing we want to do is add in our parameters user of type dictionary equals depends get current user. If user is none, raise get user exception. And then within our to-do model variable, we want to add a new filter of models.todos.ownerID equals user.getID. And that is all we need to authenticate a user. So let's try it out. Let's save our file. And now let's jump into our Postman. I'm going to switch back to our post call, make our post now a put call, and say I want to overwrite our to-do at our one ID. I'm going to make the title get new phone, description cannot make calls, with a priority of 5 and a complete of false. When I press send, we get could not validate credentials. And the reason we're getting that is our JSON web token has expired. Let's jump back over into our Swagger docs, go over into our port 9000, refresh the page, and I'm going to try out logging in again with Coding with Roby in test 1234 exclamation mark. When I click execute, we get a new JSON web token, where I'm going to copy it and jump over to our Postman, and inside our authorization bearer token, I'm going to replace it with the new token, and now click send. Immediately, we get a 200 successful, and if I go over to our Get tab and say send, we can see that our new ID of 1 now says cannot make calls because we need to get a new phone. This wraps up the lecture on put requests using JWT, and I will see you in the next video.